morning children. So today we are going to do second lesson of science. I love my family. Yes, that is the name of the lesson. Do you love your family? Yes, yes, you do love your family. So what are the members of the family? Mother, father and the children together make a family. There can be one child or there can be two children. So mother, father and the children make a small family. The members of the family, all the members live in a house. So some families are very big. So you say husband, wife, like mother, father and three children, four children. Then it is called a big family. Suppose you have a family with mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunts, their children. That is called a very big family. It is called a joint family. So when all the relatives together live in the same house, grandparents, uncles, aunts, your mother, father also, all the children also, it is called a joint family. Only mother, father and one children or two children, small family. Have you understood, children? What is a small family and a big family? So a family which has parents and their one or two children is called a small family. A small family is also called a nuclear family. So we have a name for the small family. It is called nuclear family. It is very small family. Mother, father and two children are called small family and nuclear family also. So joint family is very large family. So children, you have to now tell me where very big family means how many members will be there? Parents will be there, grandparents will be there, uncles, aunts, their children. All this is very big family. So it is called a joint family. Now tell me, children, out of all this type of family, which family do you belong to? Tell me. Yes, you have small family. So you are belonging to small family. You are living with a big family members, lot of family members. That means you belong to joint family. Have you understood this, children? Small family, it is called nuclear family, and joint family where lot of people live with you in the same house. So what do you do, children? You all live together, you share your things, you are very happy with all the things which is happening there. Yes or no? So tell me, in a family, what are the brothers and sisters called as? Can you tell me? Yes. What do you call your brother or sister? My brother, my sister, like that you will see. But those brother and sisters are called as siblings. Siblings means, who is your sibling? I have a sister. Who is your sibling? I have a brother. That is the way you use the word sibling. So children of uncle and aunts, what are they called? The children of uncles and aunts are called cousins. So if you have auntie, if you have an uncle, their children are cousins to you. Sibling means your brother and sister, and cousins means your uncle and auntie's children. So children, you have to know these two new words, siblings, cousins. So understand the meaning also of these two names. Now most important thing which you come across is the members of the family have a surname. You know what is a surname? You have a name for the family. So you can say it is a Reddy, it is Kapoor, it is Sharma, it is Ganguly, Khan. Then you have so many other names, Iyer. Yes. So you have so many family names also. So these are called the surnames. So what do you have the surnames here? It is common to all the family members. So who is having the surname here? Suppose you have Kapoor. Then you have Iyer. You have Sharma and many other names. So what is the meaning of this surname? All the members of the family. So suppose you have mother, father and two children. Everybody has the same surname, whether it is Kapoor, whether it is Iyer, whether it is Sharma, anything. The name will be the same. So everybody shares a surname. Children, you have understood that? Now tell me, what is your surname? Can you repeat? Yes. Do you know the spellings of your surname? You can ask your father and learn how to write the surname. So children, surname is very common to everybody. All the family members, mother, father, brother, sister, everybody will use the same surname which is there for the whole family. Whether it is with a grandparent or whether with a small family, everybody has a same surname. So you use a common name. Now tell me, what is your name? Yes. Now beside your name there is a surname. Okay. Now what you will do? You will write your name and surname. You can ask your parent also how to write your surname. So you write your name and you write your surname also. Is that clear? It can be Rao also, it can be Reddy also, it can be Kapoor also, anything. So write your name and write your surname. Children, did you write it? Yes. So that is your name and this is surname. That means it is a family name. The whole family uses the same surname. So what else do you do with your families, children? Writing the name, surname, you have siblings also, you have cousins also. What will you do with your family members? Yes, first of all, at home also you will be looking after each other. Then when you have any functions, festivals, so what will you have? What type of fun you have with your families? Yes, all the family members have fun on festivals, birthdays and weddings, correct? When there is any festival, your uncle or aunt, somebody or your grandparents will come to your house, or you will go to your grandparents' house, you will spend your festival there. You will share all the things, your grandmother, auntie, if somebody is there, they will make nice sweets and everything for you. You will be enjoying that very nicely in the festival time. Even the birthdays also. When you celebrate your birthdays, elder people will come to your house, your friends also will come to your house, and then you celebrate your birthday. Weddings. If there is a wedding in the family, the whole family, all different families will go to the place where the wedding is there. So all of them will enjoy the wedding party. So families will have lot of fun during festivals, birthdays and weddings. Correct. They all get together and have a lot of fun. Yes or no? Did you have lot of fun last time when you had a festival? Children, which festival you remember where you went and lot of people were their grandparents or uncle or aunt, you enjoyed it very much? Yes, it can be Diwali, it can be Christmas, it can be any festival, but you enjoy it with all your family members. The same way your birthday, remember? Yes, when is your birthday? Correct. So on that birthday day, did somebody come there to your house? Yes, your friends will come, your relatives will come, they will all enjoy with you. So weddings, definitely you must have attended where you have worn very nice clothes and gone there to the wedding. Yes or no? Yeah, good. So family people have lot of fun during festivals, birthdays and weddings, and together the whole family enjoys and has lots of fun. Next we will talk about the caring and the sharing. Do you do any work at home, children? Do you help your mother? Do you help your father? Yes, it can be small thing. You don't have to carry very big heavy thing. At least small things you can do. You can help your mother in the kitchen, keeping the things from the fridge to the table, putting the plates, the glasses on the table before you eat. And after you eat, you should help her to pick up all the things and put them on the kitchen platform or in the sink. Yes, small things. Everybody can do it. All family members should help each other. Did you do that? Yes. Then even bringing vegetable from the fridge and helping your mother. You don't have to cut. At least you can bring them, wash them and give it to your mom. Help your mother in the kitchen and help your father in the hall. Clean up the whole hall room, put all the papers in a nice neat order, newspapers, put all your books in order, not scattered here and there. Toys also, after you play, you can put all the toys together in a box. So these are the small things you can do for your parents. Yes, the members of the family take care of each other. Yes, parents take care of all the needs of the children. Yes or no? Your mother and father are working so hard. Your father goes to the office and he is working for you people. Your mother also cooks in the kitchen, prepares all the food and meals for you people. So mother and father both are working very hard for the family and children. Yes or no? Parents take care of all the needs of the children. Yes, no children? Yeah. So they help you, they look after you, they take care of you. They go to offices, sometimes mother and father, both of them work in the offices. They earn money for the family. So you also should learn to look after each other. So family members will always look after each other and take care of each other. Children should also help their parents at home. Everybody should do this. It is for your own family. They are also working from morning till evening. They are going to office. So you can also help them in the home. Simple things you can do for them. Parents feel very proud when their children help them. Do you know that? They feel very proud. They tell, see, my child has done like this. My daughter is helping in the kitchen. My son is helping in the hall. He is keeping everything clean. Good. So parents feel very proud when the children help them. We should obey and respect our grandparents and parents also. So children, talk to them politely and respect them. Respect both the grandparents and the parents also. So children, see that you do all these things. Yes, I am sure you will feel very happy. You have a very big family. Even if it is a small family or a big family, you will feel very proud when you keep on helping your members in the house. So next we will talk about the family tree. Do you know what is a family tree? A family tree shows of how we are related to our family members. This is how a Sanjay's family tree looks like. So you have a boy called Sanjay. So children, you have a boy called Sanjay. Now his family tree. So first what he will do, he will write or stick the picture of grandparents. So this is his grandpa and grandma. He will stick one picture here. So this is his family tree. So what does Sanjay do after grandparents? They will have father and mother. So he has father and mother. Then he has uncle and aunt. Pictures of uncle and aunt. And here he has paternal aunt. That means from his father's sister. Now who are the children of this father and mother? They are Sanjay. So we are talking about Sanjay here. And Sanjay has one sister. So this is Sanjay's sister. So these are the children of this family. So from the grandparents, these are the parents. From the parents, these are the children. Now he has an uncle and aunt here. So you can say it is uncle and aunt. This is one more aunt. So these children are also there. So you have two boys, one boy, one girl. So these are called cousins. So uncle and aunt children are cousins. So these Sanjay and his sister. This is the father and the mother. These are the grandfather. So this is the grandma. So you have a grandpa, a grandma, their children, and their children. So what do you have? Father, mother have Sanjay and the sister. Uncle and aunt have two cousins. So this is a family tree children. So you should also be able to make like this kind family tree children. You collect all the names of your family members. You take the photographs of your grandparents, your parents, aunties, cousins and stick them on a paper. You make a chart out of your family tree. Paste the pictures and write the names of the family members. So you paste the pictures and write the names of all the family members. Have you noticed that you and your family members share a surname? So all the surname which you have from grandpa, you have Iyer or maybe some other name, Rao. So all the family members have the same surname. So children, this is a family tree. What did we learn today, children? We have learned that mother, father and children make a small family or a nuclear family. Yes, right children? Correct. Families can be big or small also. And joint family means they have grandparents, uncles, aunts and so many members also. So the members of the family have a surname also, common surname. The members of the family have the same common surname. So everybody belongs to the same family. The members of the family also take care of each other. So you have to help your parents also. They are also working hard. We should respect and obey our grandparents and parents. So children, you should learn to respect and obey and love your parents and grandchildren. So now children, you know exactly what is your name, what is your surname. Yes. Do you belong to a small family or do you belong to a joint family? Yes, correct. So you are able to tell what is your name and surname, what is the you belong to a small family or a big family, and do you have any cousins? If you have a big family, you will be having cousins also. So do you know who are the cousins, names of the cousins? And after you finish all this, please make a chart like this, a family tree chart with all the pictures, right children? So you have understood what is a full family. So the name of the lesson, I love my family. Do you love your family? Yes children. So see that you love, respect and obey your grandparents and parents children. Thank you.